I'm Dean, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We've got over 500 of these trucks under our belt now. We are the most awarded American truck company in Australia. And today we're showing you why this truck isn't just for parking lot poses. Let's have a look, walk around this awesome looking Chevy ZR2. As you know, we've done some pretty awesome looking Chevy ZR2 builds like this one. Matte black, is it for you? I think this thing definitely looks amazing. It sounds amazing. Tino's brought this one in. It's one sexy looking Chevy ZR2. We've got an installed a BDS 4-inch suspension kit. It rides and drives amazing. The amount of droop in this suspension kit with the full crossmember drop in the ZR2 definitely drives like nothing else. The matte black theme in this one is carried out through the entire build, whether that's the front end, whether that's in the nice dark window tint, the full blacked out front end in this one, with the blacked out tail lights, the blacked out moto metal wheels. If you want black on black on black, this may be the option for you. This one here with the 4-inch BDS suspension kit with the amazing Fox 2.5 remote reservoir shocks. It's got some Kenda tyres wrapped on some moto metal 20-inch wheels. The gloss black in the wheels, matched into the gloss black on the front bar, tied into the satin black theme, the full blackout badge, all the way to the rear end. We've got an installed a set of Amp Research electric side steps in this one. It's going to give you courtesy lights underneath the vehicle. Getting in and out of the vehicle is going to be a lot easier with these ones here. Tinted Cat 6 indicators, of course. Tino's even put it on the Big Dog antenna on the front there as well. If you don't want the big whip, you can go something like this small whip. It's also got the full air on board in this one now. The ARB twin compressor setup. Keep these tyres inflated after a day up the beach. I don't know whether this one's going to be nice and easy to keep clean. Definitely looks the part though. If you didn't know, these things are from America. Another little cool bit. America little tow bar cover there as well. Blacked out pin, full blacked out rear end with the vinyl wrap in matte black. It's got the ZR2 black badge kit as well. Fully black tinted tail lights, electric corner on the back there as well. This is going to be the option. Are you wanting to look cool in the car park? Wanting to look cool up the beach? I reckon in something like this, you'd look cool no matter where you're driving. If you like this Chevy ZR2, guys, check out Queen G here. If you want to see more of these things up the beach, this season here's one to watch as well. And don't forget to get in contact with us on the link in the description below.